Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change Home Club Planet Fitness. All right, let's begin. First, open the Planet Fitness website. From the top menu, click on Memberships. After that, scroll down until you see the option labeled Have More Questions and click on it. Next, scroll through the Help section and find the article titled How do I transfer my membership to a different Planet Fitness club? Click on it to expand the details. Here, you will see the requirements needed to transfer your home club. You must be at least 18 years old, have been a member for at least 90 days, and not have transferred your membership within the last 90 days. You also need to have no outstanding payments, and your membership must be billed monthly. If you meet all these conditions, click on the Transfer Your Membership Online button. Sign into your account if prompted, then follow the instructions to select and confirm your new home club. So that's basically how you can change Home Club Planet Fitness. That's it for this video. Thanks.